What's up everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Sasha and you're welcome to my channel. And yes, I am back again with another Ankara makeup tutorial, and this makeup tutorial today is inspired by this Ankara piece I have on my head here. And this Ankara, I got it from Isoke, which is NBB4 on YouTube. I got it from her, and yes, so yeah, this is my look for today, and please do comment down below what your favorite part of this look is and which one of the three Ankara looks I've done so far is your favorite one. Yes, without further ado, I'm going to get into the video. But before I go, if you're new to my channel, if this is your first time seeing me, you're very welcome. Please make sure you do like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much guys, and have a good one. Bye, see you in my next video. Alright, so before we get started, let's give a warm welcome to number 1 here, number 2 here. Where is number 3? Number 3 coming up right there. Yeah, this one over here is like the boss of them all. Needs to be like tamed fast. So as usual, I'm going into my lid with my Lapro concealer, but this time around in toffee because I can't find my fawn. So we're just putting that on our lids just to prime the lids. Now this beauty blender is from Quo. If anyone wants to if anyone wants to know about it. So this one is actually one of the good ones I have because it's really good. Like, look how soft this thing is. It's very good. I used to use dollar store ones, but I begin to see why it's going to spend a little bit more money on your beauty blender. So first color I'm going in with this, it's this yellow right here from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. My apologies because I'm going to be using it. I think I used 3 different palettes for this look. I'm sorry, I don't mean to do that. It's just that I don't have one palette that has every single thing in it. But all these palettes are all affordable. They're all from either from Morphe or Juvia's Place. And Juvia's Place palettes, they're very affordable. They go on sale, and something that you guys can actually get for yourself. So now I'm going with a smaller brush into my brow bones, and I'm using this broken color right here, this goldish color. I'm going to use that too. I'm going to use that all of my brow bones. So just to highlight my brow bones. My brow bone. I keep saying brow bones, excuse me. Okay, so going back in with that yellow now, and we're just blending that just so that gold color is not just sitting down there. Now I'm going to my Juvia's Place palette, the Nubia palette, the first one. So going in with a blending brush. This one is from Morphe and it's the M33 332. Yes. So first of all, I want to go into this shade, this light brown shade right here. And we're just putting that right in the crease. Can you guys see how the colors are kind of blending? I need a better camera because this camera does not do the colors any justice at all. So I want to blend the yellow and the brown together. Not together, but so it looks seamless. Going in and you're blending it out. So now the next color I'm going in with would be this dark brown color right here from the same Juvia Place palette. And I'm just popping that right on the bottom like so, and I'm just blending that into the light brown that we've got from before. Lightly, I'm not pushing my brush in like crazy. I'm just doing it lightly so that way it gives that effect that I'm looking for. I don't know I forgot what it's called. That What was that? Oh, that blended effect that I'm looking for. I don't know. Alright, so just keep blending that in. Always remember to dust off your product. Alright, so now I'm going into that same Morphe 35B palette. And I'm picking up the black color from this palette. Ooh. I'm picking up the black color from this palette with the same blending brush I used before. And I'm just popping that right over. Just like this. And I'm just blending it in carefully, not to mess up what I already have going on. Alright, so now that the black is in, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm using the same color, the same Lapro concealer in Toffee. I'm going to use. So while I'm waiting for this to set a little bit and to dry a little bit, I'm going to go in with this NYX cosmetic, and I'm going to use that to line this eye up like just the same way I lined this up. And this can take, Lord have mercy, this can take some good time because my hands are not that straight. I shake a lot when I'm doing such, like, you know, very detailed stuff. So yeah. Alright. This is gonna be very awkward, guys. Alright, so I think I've got it like close to what I have over here, at least for the most part. So now I'm just gonna go ahead with my green color, and the color I'm using today is from the Juvia Place Magic Palette. And I'm using this green right here called Buzo. This one right here. And I'm gently placing that right underneath the yellow. I'm going to add with my NYX glitter primer. And I'm going to put that all over where the green is. Alright, so next I'm going in with this glitter from NYX Cosmetics, and it's in the color 07. It comes out, it looks white in the container, but it's actually green. That's something I really like about it. And it's very fine too. So yeah, so we're going in with that glitter, and we're just pressing it in gently. And then now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and line the eyes. And what I'm using for liner today is this. I'm using my Makeup Forever ink liner to line my eyes today. I'm gonna move the spirit close by because, child, here. Okay. Alright, so now that I've successfully lined that up, I wish I'm not doing this at nighttime because then I'll have somewhere to go after this, but alright, so I'm gonna pop in my lashes now, and I'm just waiting for the lash glue to dry a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in. As we get lost, you won't be good. Do, 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 do. Split second will not disappear. But now it's so low. Alright, so waiting for that to set in, I'm gonna go in with this unknown black pencil. I don't know the name. If you can see by yourself, it's all like erased out. I'm gonna use that on my waterline. For my lip, I'm going in with this Colourpop lipstick in Friday. I'm a little bit skeptical because I'm not sure what to do with this, but I'm just gonna use it to see how it goes. So line my lips first. Okay, and just to top that up, I'm gonna go ahead with the glitter I use for my eyes, and I'm gonna put that gently, just place it right on the lip. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put my head wrap on, and the head wrap I'm using today is from Glam by Sasha. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I'm gonna put my other two Ankara inspired videos right here, so do go ahead and continue watching the videos. You can go ahead and click here or click here just to watch the video. Alright guys, thank you very much. Bye. See you in my next video.